tornado warning for Boone County, northwestern DeKalb County, Ogle County, Winnebago County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe squall line capable of producing rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. These dangerous storms were located along a line extending from Reddit to German Valley to 5 miles west of Byron to Mount Morris, and moving east at 60 miles per hour. These storms will be near Winnebago, Dillman Valley, and Rockford Airport around 6:45 p.m. Rockford around 6:50 p.m. Rockton, McChesney Park, Loves Park, and Cherry Valley around 6:55 p.m. Roscoe, South Beloit, and Belvedere around 7 o'clock p.m. Poplar Grove and Kirkland around 7:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic thunderstorms include New Milford and Davis Junction. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Go to a basement or small interior room on the